Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be telling you, because I have not been uploading my videos since 2022, because last year in 2022 December I uploaded a video trip to Derby to meet my other cousins. So today I'm going to be making another video because I've got my other 3 cousins coming from London to Manchester, because where we'll be receiving them today in Manchester Piccadilly train station, along with my father and my brother. So it's a very exciting day for me, and I will really like it, and so let's get started. Okay, we are going to Manchester Piccadilly train station to see my 3 cousins. So we'll go this way, because I'm not driving. This way, like that. It's okay, Ed. Okay. So now we are going left. Okay, so I just paused the video because I'm not making it very long, but I am going to be editing the video straight away, because I do not want it to be long. I just want it to be a bit, not much. So that's why I'm gonna edit the video. So today I'm very excited and happy because I'm receiving my cousins in the Manchester Piccadilly train station, and because they had to come to UK also, because they came from Pakistan. First they came from Pakistan to Romania to apply passport and ID card, and then they came to UK. Then after that, they came to London first, because they had to, because that's where the mom live. So today they're coming because the ticket has been booked, because they're coming in train. But they're already now out, because now they are in Manchester Piccadilly. So we're gonna go ahead and receive them straight away, and this will be an exciting day, because I'm very waiting. I'm so happy and excited. Just the way we're going. So we're going this way. Watch out. That's the way. We're going that way. Looks very nice here. That's the way we are. I'm just gonna pause the video straight away. अच्छा इधर इधर हम पहुंचने वाले हैं जल्दी से. यस, बिल्कुल हम जा रहे मैनचेस्टर पिccadilly train station. Yes, we are going there. Okay. अच्छा अच्छा मनुष्य सीरियसली पिक करेंगे तो पूरा मैनचेस्टर पिक कर लिया अच्छा हम तो पहुंच गए okay there's my cousins over there as you can see yeah they're just over there hello cousins I'm happy oh I'm so happy that they are here okay anyways I'm going to end the video now straight away guys thank you so much for watching I hope you like share subscribe and like the video and I'll see you in the next video everybody Allah Hafiz